Hello friends, welcome back to another video tutorial in Revit architecture. I am architect Sonurai from Glad Studio, and today I am going to discuss how to do area plans in Revit. In the last video tutorial we discussed about room tags. So let's begin. This is an office building and I am going to make area plan for this at level 1. So I am going to my architecture and will come here, rooms and area, just below room and room separator. So we'll click this drop down arrow and now we will select this one, area and volume computations. So we'll select this one, and in computations you can select volumes are computed at finish phase. So you will select areas only. You can also select areas and volumes if you want to show volume, but we will select areas only. And room area computation you can select at wall finish, or you can select at wall center and wall core layer and wall core center. We'll select this one at wall finish. And area schemes you can select gross building, total constructed area of a building, or rentable area measurement based on the standard method for measuring floor. So we will select this one, rentable, and we'll click OK. And now we'll go to this area and we'll select this area plan, and it will ask type of whether it is rentable or gross building. We'll select rentable and select one or more levels for which you want to create new views. We'll select level 1 and I will click OK. And after this it will ask automatically create area boundary lines associated with all external walls. We'll click yes, and here it is. This magenta line is showing the area plan, and you should make sure that it should be in thick lines. It will click here and then it will be shown in thin lines. So you click here and you can view in thicker lines. So you should be aware of that. And after this I'm going to separate these spaces into cabin area and toilet areas, reception area and workstation area. So I'm going to use this area boundary which is activated now, and we can select this pick line, and I'm going to select this wall and this toilet area and this wall to divide this workstation area. So now I am going to select this one, area, and we'll place our area here. This 2198 square feet, this one is 1016,685 area, 2305, and this cabin area. After this I'm going to rename these all these. So we'll go and select this area here and we'll try to select our area. This one. And now I am going to this properties here, and you can select this one, area type here, building common area. We'll click this once, and now I will make this as office area, and you can rename this as cabin, and we'll apply here, and you can see this is changed to cabin to 198 square feet. And next is this one. We'll try to select our this one. This symbol is for area and not the text. So we'll select this one, and now we can edit this area here, and we'll rename this as building common area, and we'll rename this as in identity data. You can rename this to reception area, and you can apply, and now it is turned to reception area. And next is we'll try to select this one, and you can try to select this one, area, and now we'll change this to you can change it to, I will keep it at floor area, and now we'll rename this as toilet area. Apply, and it is converted to toilet area 693 square feet, reception area, cabin area. And now we'll select this one and we'll rename this as building common area, office area only. And now I am going to rename this as workstations. I will apply this one and it is changed to workstations. And you can rename this as, I'll keep it as office area, and I will rename this as team lead, and we'll keep apply, and it is changed to team lead. So we have divided this area. Now we will make color legends we have discussed in our last video tutorial. So I am going to my annotate tab and we'll use this one, color fill, and we'll bring this to here, and it will ask no color schemes assigned to view. And as soon as if you paste it here, it will ask choose a space type and color scheme. So I am going to choose this space type, areas rentable, and color scheme rentable area. Okay, and it is dividing into building common area, floor area, office area, and it has assigned some color. So we can do some more settings here. We'll click this one, and now we'll go to edit scheme, and this area is rentable area and this title is rentable area legend. Color type, if you want to do with area type, you can do, or you can also choose this one by name, and we'll click OK. So you can see this is cabin area color, reception area, team lead, toilet area, workstation. You can change the color from here. We'll take some other color here, and can use this one, make some light color here. And area plans can be darker colors. We'll apply. Okay, and you can see this is our legend cabin area, and we have changed the color also, so we can present easily to our client so that they can understand the areas. So this was the tutorial for today's session. In the next session we'll come with some good interesting topics. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.